Hello, friends. So today for math, we're going to review what we learned yesterday, and then we're going to be adding to something that we learned yesterday today to count numbers with groups of 10. So yesterday we learned about counting by tens the regular way and counting by tens the say 10 way. So what I want you to do is practice with me at home. I'm going to use my fingers because that's what I have. We're going to start with the say 10, we're going to start with the regular way, and then we'll do the say 10 way, okay? So the regular way we count by tens is we start with the number 10 and we say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And the way that we count the say 10 way is we say the group. So it would be like this: 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. Awesome. So our lesson today is going to be going over groups of 10. Now remember, yesterday when we did our problem set, Miss Spines was dotting so we knew where was a group of 10. Well, our teacher in our lesson today is going to be doing check marks. So watch what she does to show that there's a group of 10 and some more, and then we will practice that together, okay?
Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 2. Friends, I am so glad you're here today because I had the worst trouble when I went to the laundromat. I mean, I was just walking out and dropped all of my socks on the floor. I was like, oh my goodness, I should probably count them and make sure they're all there. So I'm going to go ahead and count. Can you count with me, friends? Oh, thank you. Here we go. I'm going to put a check mark on all of them as I count, okay? Just to keep myself organized. There's a lot of socks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have 10, and then I have 3 more over here. How can I talk about this group of socks? Oh man, what are we gonna do? Oh, I know. We can think about today's lesson. Our learning goal for today says, I can describe a group of objects as 10 ones and blank ones. So, okay, I'm going to think about my socks. Let's describe them as 10 ones, because I see there's 10 socks and then some ones. So let me see. Let me write that down. 10 ones and blank ones. Let's see. I see this group of 10 that I made because I did the check marks on the 10. How many ones do I have left over, friends? Yeah, go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3. So I could say in this group of socks from the floor, I get 10 ones and 3 more ones. Perfect. Hey, thanks for helping me describe these socks. Oh, goodness. Can you help me with this other pile over here, though? Oh, those white socks got everywhere. All right, so what should I start with? How am I going to figure out how many socks I have? Yes, thank you. I need to count them, right? Let's try to find a group of 10, and let's go ahead and put a check mark on them as we go through. That way I know which ones I've counted, okay? Count with me, friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there's my group of 10, but oh, for Pete's sake, what about these socks? Wait, I know how to describe them. I could say 10 ones and blank ones. So I have 10 ones here in my group of 10s. How many ones do I have left over? Yeah, 2 ones. So I could say my white socks, in the group of white socks, I had 10 ones and 2 ones. Perfect. Hey, thanks for your help. Okay, I have one more stack of socks. Can you help me with these? Okay, who put them in that fancy circle? Who was it? It's probably Miles. Okay, let's go ahead and, what are we going to do? How are we going to start this? How am I going to figure out how to describe the group of socks that I have? Oh, you think we should count them? Perfect. How am I going to keep myself organized when I'm counting so many socks? Oh, thanks, yeah. Let's put a check on them. All right, let's go ahead and count. As we count this time, you put a check on them with your finger in the air. It'll be so funny. Here we go. 1, 2. Are you making your check in the air? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there's my group of 10. I'm done. I had 10 in my group. Wait, what? I'm not done? Why not? Can't I just say there were 10 pink socks? No, there's more than 10, right? All right, you're so smart. Let's use our good describing sentence. 10 ones and blank ones. I know the ones that were in the group of 10 I checked off. How many ones were left over that I didn't check off? Yeah. 4. So I could say I have 10 ones and 4 ones because I have my group of 10 and I have 4 more, right? Oh, this is perfect. I am so glad that this lesson happened today when I made a big mess with my laundry. This is really helpful because our learning goal said I can describe a group of objects as 10 ones and some more ones. That's exactly what we did. All right, thank you.
All right, friends. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you our problem set for today, and it looks like this. I'm going to do the first 2 with you, and then I'm going to want you to do the others on your own. This will be in your math module notebook. It's lesson 2. All right, so don't forget to write your name at the top as well. All right, so we're going to do just like our teacher friend did in the video. She was putting checks to show the group of 10, and then we'll write how many we have left over. So we're going to start right here with the duckies. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see if I can make mine a little smaller so they're not all over the place. All right, so there's our group of 10 right here, and we already say we have 10 ones right here, but how many do we have left over? Let's see. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So what number do you think we're going to write in the space? We need to write the number 3. So now it says I have 10 ones and 3 ones. Awesome. All right, let's do one more. Let's see with the piggies. Let's count our group of 10 with our checks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we got our group of 10. How many do we have left over to write on the blank? Let's count. 1, 2. So the number I would write in the blank is the number 2. Okay, friends, so now what I want you to do, if you were doing those along with me in your book, that's great. If not, you can open up your book and get to going on your problem set. And here, let me stop that. When you're doing it, there is a front page, which I did, but there's also, if you would like to do the back page and, oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. That's from yesterday. So this one just has our groups. There's, if you want to do the back page, there is a back page. And there's also a lesson 2 homework if you want to do that as well, but you do not have to if you don't want to. But if you're on a roll and enjoying it, go for it. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.